How you feel, how things progressed.
A lot better from, well, you see the progression. I took pictures of every one, and you see it grow thicker and thicker every month.
Today we're going to present Steve, who 1 year ago had 2 FUE procedures using the handheld FUE 2000 grafts on 2 occasions for a total of 4,000 grafts. The way his hair looked prior to the procedure, you can see here that he had thinned quite markedly in the central 1/3 of the scalp, and the thinning of the hair progressed right up to the crown, and then hit the lateral humps where he has moderate hair growth. This is what you look like after one procedure with 2000 grafts. I'm now going to show you how he looked after the procedure. Immediately after, you can see when we transplanted the 4,000 grafts, we did the anterior 2/3 of the scalp. Steve now returns after 1 year, and I'd like to show what his hair looks like. You can see that the hairline is very natural and it's dense. And this is the area that was transplanted, and you can see that it's high density. It's very good density. Steve, and this is the hair from the left side. Steve, from the right side. Hair from the right side. And if you look at the wall first, please. And here you can see after the FUE, 2 FUE procedures, that the density is still quite good after extraction of 4,000 grafts. If you want to face the camera again. What do you think of the procedure?
It's good.
Are you glad you did it?
Yeah, I am.
Tell us a little bit more. How you feel, how things progress.
A lot better from, well, you see the progression. I took pictures of every one, and you see it grow thicker and thicker every month.
Show it to us on the cell phone. We're also going to show you some other pictures.
Here's before surgery.
Can you zoom in? I'll hold it. You can hold it. Okay.
Eight months.
Any advice to anybody out there wanting to get the procedure done?
I think if they want to, they should get it done. It's a good procedure.
And you were happy with?
Yeah, I'm happy with the results.
And with FUE Hair and the doctors and the staff?
Yeah, everyone's very professional and kind here.